Welcome students. Lithium is the first member of alkali metal group because of which it is smallest in size, and we know that all the properties of an element depends on its atomic radii. So lithium being smallest in size, because of which most of the properties of lithium are different from rest of the members of the group. So let's study that why and how does lithium differ from in its properties from rest of the members of the group, that is anomalous properties of lithium. Let's start. Anomalous properties of lithium. We have just seen that lithium shows different properties as compared to rest of the members of the same group, just like it has highest reducing potential. We know that reducing potential generally increases down the group. So it is being the first member, it must have lowest reduction potential, but actually it has highest one. So why so? Similarly, it forms only peroxide, and so we have to see that why it is so, why does it show such anomalous properties. First of all, what are the anomalous properties? The properties of lithium are quite different from the properties of alkali metals, and another thing that it shows greater resemblance with magnesium, which is diagonally opposite of it. Actually, rather than showing similarity to the other members of the same group, it is similar in the properties to the magnesium, which is a member of another group. Here is, let's say, lithium, then sodium, and another group member. Here is beryllium, and then magnesium. So lithium resembles in its properties with magnesium, and this type of property is called diagonal relationship. We'll see this. So what is the main reason for the anomalous behaviors of lithium is that, first, extremely small size. Size of lithium is very small because of its ionization energy is very high, and its reduction potential is also high. We'll see why. Next is greater polarizing power of lithium ion. Lithium ion being small in size, it's very small, it can polarize the anion highly, and greater the polarizing power, more will be the covalent character. So compounds of lithium are more covalent, while the compounds of other alkali metals are ionic. And least electropositive character, being smallest in size, it is least electropositive, and obviously the ionization energy is highest for the group. And another reason is non-availability of vacant d orbital. Other alkali metals have d orbitals, but lithium has only atomic number 3, only 3 electrons. It does not have any d orbital in its electronic configuration. Now, how do lithium differ from rest of the alkali metals? First is that obviously it shows diagonal relationship with magnesium. Second is it is harder. Most of the alkali metals are soft, but it is comparatively harder, and it has high melting and boiling point as compared to rest of the elements. It is strong reducing agent among the alkali metals. It forms lithium Li2O and Li3N on combustion with air. That means it forms peroxide, while rest of the other forms superoxides. Lithium chloride is deliquescent and crystalline as hydrate. Lithium hydrogen carbonate does not exist in solid state, while for rest of the elements the hydrogen carbonate exists in solid state. We know sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is an important reagent used in household. So, but lithium hydrogen carbonate does not exist in solid state. It does not form ethynide when reacts with ethine, while rest of the metals form ethynide. What is ethynide actually? We know this is ethine, CH triple bond CH, ethine. It is acidic. When it is heated with sodium, it forms sodium salt, CNA. This is ethynide. This type of reaction does not take place with lithium. And on heating, lithium nitrate decomposes to oxide, lithium oxide, while if the nitrate of other alkali metals is heated, they form nitrides. Fluorides and oxides of alkali metals of lithium is less soluble, but we know that oxide of most of the alkali metals or other alkali metals are basic and they are soluble in, yes, water. But in case of lithium oxide is less soluble in water. And again it shows diagonal relationship with magnesium. Now how does it show diagonal relationship with magnesium? What are the similarity between lithium and magnesium? The first is that both are harder and high and are lighter than other elements of the respective group. In first group, lithium is the hardest one, and so magnesium in the second group. Both react with water slowly. We know that most of the alkali metals and alkaline earth metal react vigorously with water. We know we dip the sodium in water and just it do a blast and it just with a great sound. But lithium reacts comparatively slowly, and so is magnesium. And they form oxides and hydroxide which are less soluble in water, and both decompose on heating. Both form nitrides by direct reaction with nitrogen. None of them forms superoxide. On heating, carbonates of both lithium and magnesium give carbon dioxide, and hydrogen carbonate of both do not exist. Neither lithium hydrogen carbonate exists in solid state nor magnesium hydrogen carbonate exists in solid state. Chlorides of both lithium chloride and magnesium chlorides are soluble in ethanol, deliquescent, and crystallize as hydrates. Reason for the similarity is, yes, similar in size. Lithium and magnesium have similar size. How? We know lithium, then here is sodium, then beryllium and magnesium. What happens then when we move down the group? Size decreases and then it gets increased. So these two have almost similar size because of which they have almost all the similar properties, ionization energy and so. So students, now we know why and how the properties of lithium differ from rest of the member of the group, and also we know that properties of lithium are similar to that of magnesium. That means lithium shows diagonal relationship with magnesium. In next video, we'll study about chemical properties of alkali metals. Thank you.